In this video, we are going to present basic notions regarding exponential expressions through some key points and examples. So the first question is what exponential expressions are and how do they arise? So how do exponential expressions arise? Well, if we have, for example, 8 times 8 times 8, that we can write as a to the power 3. In this case, 8 is called base and 3 is called exponent. So exponents are another way to write long products that we have. And similar is, for example, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 to the power 4, and so on. So key point 1 is that a to the power 1 equals a, and a to the power n is a times, and so on times a, n times. So that is the introduction to exponent expressions. And we have also exponent laws. So I will just write here key point 2 and exponent laws. So first we will have a to the power n times a to the power n is a to the power m plus n. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is a to the power m minus n. Alternatively, we also write using the fractions. It's also a common way to write. Third is a to the power m, and then everything to the power n is a to the power m times n. And we also have the different bases. A to the power n times b to the power n is a times b to the power n. Then we have key point 3. Now we will see how to deal with rational exponents. So here m, n are integers. We can also say that a is different from 0 and b different from 0 and a b also different from 1, because in case of 1 to the power n is always 1. Okay, so now when a is different from 0, a to the power 0 is 1. A to the power minus n is 1 over a to the power n, and 3, a to the power 1 over n is root of a. And a to the power m over n is nth root of a to the power m. So those are the most important rules regarding the exponentials and exponential expressions. And we have also, I will just write here thirds. So what are thirds? Thirds or radicals also, we call them radicals. So those are square roots of numbers which are simplified and which are not perfect squares. So I will just write square roots of numbers which are not perfect squares and also must be simplified. Okay. So what does that mean? First of all, square root 4 is not a third, so not a radical, because square root 4 is 2. So, and 4 is a perfect square. So 4, not so 4 is perfect square. Why? Because 2 squared is 4. But square root 2, square root 3, square root 5, square root 7 are radicals. Now, some books say, for example, this is why I have said here must be simplified. Square root 8. We want to simplify this because we can write this as square root 4 times 2, then we can split, and that is 2 square root 2. This is radical, basically. So, radical. So we can use radicals to, we have to simplify them as well. Okay, so those are the rules, and we will see now examples. So examples. These are basic examples on radical expressions. For example, 3 to the power 3 is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. Example 2 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 3 over 2 times 3 is, you can write that in arrow, times, you can split. That is 2 squared over 2, 3 cubed over 3. That is 2 times, here will be 3 to the power 3 minus 1, so this is to the power 1, okay, which is 2 times 3 squared, which is 2 times 9, which is 18. Question number 3. 4 to the power 3 times 2, sorry, times 5 to the power 4 over 4 to the power 4 times 2 times 5 squared. So we can use 3 and fractions, so 4 to the power 3, 4 to the power 4. Here we can write 1 half, here 4 to the power 5, 4 to the power 2. This is 4 to the power minus 1 times 1 half times 5 over 2, and that is 1 over 4 times 1 over 2 times 25, which is 25 over 8. Okay. Now let's do this example. Simplify, so 3 and 1 half times 2 and 1 half. That is 3 times 2 and then 1 half, which is 6 to the power 1 half, or square root 6. Right. Write 2 to the power 3 over 2 using roots. So answer 2, 3 over 2 is 2 to the power 3 and then 1 half. Okay, and or let me just be, let's just be very stepwise. So this is 3 times 1 half, and using the rule a to the power n is a to the power n times m, and a to the power n over m is basically a to the power n 1 over m 1 half, and that is square root of 2 to the power 3. You can also write square root 8. Question number 6. Simplify 16 over 9 1 half. Answer 16 over 9 1 half is 16 1 half over 9 1 half, which is square root 16 square root 9, which is 4 over 3. So that is